Hey guys, Wake Sessions here again. Just wanted to show you a little way to get some content built pretty simply using Canva. I personally have the pro version, as you can see here, so I will have a lot more options, but they do show up with a crown when you get into the templates. First off, you're going to want to start with creating a design. The best size ratio to start with that I've found for all social media platforms is to start off with a custom size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click create new design and that will give you a clean slate. Canva also has a very intuitive and very easy functional mobile app as well. So if you do have an account with Google, I believe you can sign in with your Google account. You'll see here on the left hand side, there's a whole bunch of tools: draw, projects, uploads, text, and elements. Within here, you'll see under templates, when under the design tab, there is basic templates, but none of them really coincide with what we are trying to offer. If you find something, great, use it. Populate all of the options inside. But I usually start with a clean slate. So what I'll normally do is try and find myself a background. You can basically just click elements here on the left hand side, click search, and type in literally anything. Galaxy. Here you'll see a whole bunch of options. You got photos, graphics, videos, audio, etc. Up here is your also all of your tabs for your different items you can grab. Photos. You scroll through, you'll see here these little crowned ones are the pro versions. You still have a lot of options under free, you guys. So there's, pick whatever, right? That adds it to your template here on the right hand side. Once it's selected, you can click more and hit set image to background. That'll fill the background. Now you can right click this, or sorry, um, yeah, right click it and you'll get to the crop area. See how you can move this image to be wherever you want to be, and I can also stretch it to be wherever I want it to be. So, all right, guys. So next you're going to want to upload some graphics. So under uploads is where you're going to upload your files. And I've already got some preloaded here, so I'll just add a couple of my pre-made guys here. I got one of our characters. We've got the Xeno logo, which a lot of these graphics are set up in our mod graphics. Then scaling them is pretty easy. You grab these boxes, no different than here. You can animate things. What I will say about animations is they do not show up on your JPEG thumbnail tile. So if you want anything like the Xeno logo to show up on that first thumbnail that everybody's going to see, and you don't want a blank slate, I suggest you don't animate certain things. But things like this, I let's just do it so I can show you how it works. Um, you can scale these guys to be whatever you want to be, right? So um, let's just take him. We'll animate him. We'll bring him, pan him in. And then the next thing is going to be to add some text. Now, you're going to see a bunch of pre-made templates here that are pro versions, but there is some that are not. Otherwise, you can click on just regular text here and bodies and type out what you need. But let's just pick something for ease of use. Here's something right here. Let's just do a simple banner ad. You know, ungroup this so that you can edit everything, and let's just type out what we need. You see how that jumped to the next step? So all you gotta do is give it a little bit more room and it will repopulate itself. Canva's very good about keeping things in center and whatnot, but because you can see it, it'll give you a guideline here. So you can drop that right where it is and that will make sure that it's in center. Now, if we want this to be animated with some kind of effects and flashing, let's just click that. And there's a lot of effects here. So um, like that's a brand new one that just got added. I don't know if that's because I have pro account. It looks like it, but some of these effects might not be available to you, but some will be. So there's always going to be some options for free, but you won't have extensive like what I've got. So, anyways, now we have our image. So you can play it right here just by giving it a little play button just to see how it works. You're happy with it? Perfect. Now let's go ahead and share this. You're going to want to download it. And then if you click an MP4, people are going to have to hit a play button just like a video. So I will pick GIF and download this to my files. Hopefully that helps everybody on creating simple content media for the project. And there's a really good app on the App Store from Canva. Thank you again for watching.